We're looking for signs of intelligent life in the universe, and a couple of times we've thought we found it. In the 1960s, we found this thing that was giving an absolutely mathematically precise signal. It looked, for all intents and purposes, like a beacon. We had no model of any natural phenomenon that could do this.
The 1967 discovery of a flashing light in deep space startled astronomers and at least one world-renowned filmmaker. But neutron star CP 1919 turned out to be more significant even than the random beeping of a passing spacecraft. Astronomers had found their first pulsar.
A pulsar is the remnant of a supernova explosion. It's the rapidly rotating neutron star at the core, and it almost serves like a lighthouse beacon, and it flashes at a regular basis. These are perfectly natural phenomena. The universe is filled with them, but the moment we saw one, we actually designated it LGM-1 for Little Green Man number 1. Stanley Kubrick, who was making his film 2001: A Space Odyssey at that time, almost threw in the towel because it looked like his film, which was supposed to be about first contact and the discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence, was going to be old news by the time it hit the theaters.
With enough diligence, however, the moment may come when you encounter exactly what you're looking for. But can you find it again?
Radio astronomers listen for radio signals, and what they're looking for is something that's aimed at us and something that has a very high volume or amplitude. And we found one some years ago, and in fact the radio astronomer who was noticing it on the logs wrote "wow!" exclamation mark in the margin, because this was what they were looking for.
The WOW signal, which was picked up at Ohio State University in 1977, has become very well known amongst the public, and I think it's because of good branding, really. It's the WOW signal after all.
Maybe it was an alien civilization sending a beacon our way. We looked again and again and again for a follow-up, for a confirmation. We've never found that, but the anomaly exists. It did happen once. Was it some natural phenomenon that we can't think of that caused it, or was it in fact that we actually did succeed at SETI, and we succeeded decades ago?